Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Storage containers, overhead tanks, refrigerator plates, disposable cups, grinding stone, industrial and domestic junk, construction sites. Whereas Aedes albopictus, the natural larvae habitats includes tree holes, latex containing cups in rubber plantation, leaf vessels, bamboo stumps, coconut shells, in flowers. It is highly anthropophilic and most efficient vector. Trans-ovarian transmission also takes place. Aedes breeding sites, these are the ones which are very common, which Dr. Supur and his team has put up down so that everybody is aware. These type of breeding sites are always very common in our backyards. Hence each one has to be responsible to keep their premises clean of potential breeding sites.
But it also knocks, it causes like what happens, it's a RNA virus. So what has happened in coronavirus, similar cytokine storm is started in the body. The body produces a lot of leukotrienes or other enzymes to kill this virus-laden cells. As a result, the body also gets destroyed and we suffer from various conditions like the severe dengue. You get something called as bleeding tendencies. You start bleeding from all the blood because platelets are destroyed. You get organ perfusion compromised. So the blood pressure falls, the pulse pressure becomes low, kidney starts failing, the heart starts failing. You develop a lot of fluid in the lungs, in the abdomen, and we also get encephalopathy, brain awakening. So please remember, dengue should not be taken as a simple flu. It has a potential to kill somebody. And I'm telling you, my 37 years of experience, some cases which are admitted dengue are really, really terrible. Some of our people will know how they, Madam Sawal will remember some of the severe dengue people, how difficult it is to explain the relative. And we have also lost young patients, 20 years, 25 years, 27 years, if not detected early and treated early. So let us join hands. Let us see that all of us come together. See that our surroundings are clean at once. As far as vaccines are concerned, as Madam said, yes, although the vaccine has come, but we must also know what has happened in Philippines. Philippine tragedy. Singapore, Philippines. The Philippine tragedy was that these vaccines are to be given only if 80% of the surrounding community is already suffered the first attack. Because there is something called as antibody dependent enhancement. These vaccines, if you are not affected earlier.
2-3 extra words to that theme, because joining hands is very easy. Making it happen is the second part. So I would emphasize this second part of making it happen. आज सगळ्यांनी एकामेकाच्या हात धरपाचे, मागीर फुडें कितें करपाचें, that is the issue. And one very important thing I think Mr. Linden has pointed out, that counselors can provide help, etc.
My request to the Urban Health Center and the worker and the staff. See, we have 25 wards. In 25 wards, there are some sensitive wards. Last year, we had a sensitive ward like ward number 15, ward number 16, that is represented by our Vice Chairperson, Mr. Divagi Sawal. She is also a very active councillor, and regarding this, she is very active. So my request is that, see, now you all have done a demo, but as my suggestion, see, like, you all have to come to each ward and have an awareness camp. This awareness camp, like today, we can prevent dengue. So there are so many places, like my ward I had last year, like ward number 2 I used to represent 5 years back. There used to be a lot of dengue cases and malaria cases, but I prevented them. So I should take personal interest, and the staff of urban health centers to help me. I think the councillors should be active. Councillors also is a job to keep their ward clean. And clean you also have to be active. So we have kitle workers as urban health center. They say that we don't know who are the councillors of this ward. I'll tell them, like, I'll give you all the numbers of all the 25 councillors, ward numbers, and then the main active before pre-monsoon. The pre-monsoon starts the day. Now we have very few days. I think this year the monsoon is going to be somewhere in first week of June.